Hello, my friends. I was just thinking today about that question I am asked over and over, especially in the last few weeks. And it's not just by people who are trying to sell their home. Agents are calling me saying, hey, what is going on with this listing? Why is it not selling? And so I thought I would just jump in here real quick and give you a little bit of insight into what might help. And honestly, in a deep buyer's market like we're in, it's hard to say that any of these things aren't already being done and we're still waiting for an offer. But if these three things aren't being done right now, it's really hard to get an offer. The first one is always going to be price. We never want to be the highest bidder on the home that we've listed. We need to be in a price point that reflects the market. And if there are reasons that our price needs to come down based on condition or location or any of those factors, now is not the time to test the market. The market does not give any kind of grace to the price if the location or the current condition are not reflective of what that price needs to be. So price is so important. It's not the time to test the market. The second thing is maintenance. If somebody walks through your home and they can see that there's a drippy faucet or there's carpet issues or some of those things that even they're cosmetic, the buyers, even if your price is good, right now, the buyers are still walking past those homes. And so let's make sure that your condition, the maintenance that's needed on a home is being taken care of. And then the third thing is that it shows well. I know sometimes it doesn't feel fair that people expect your home to be perfect or that it looks like it's not lived in or that the flooring is all newer or whatever those conditions are. We are in a deep enough buyer's market right now that there are enough competitors that do show perfectly, that do show well maintained, that are priced right, that they don't need to consider your homes. And I'll just give you a quick example. Over the last month or so, I've probably showed to various buyers 30 or so homes. And I can tell you that I have walked through some of those homes and absolutely amazed that the condition is such in this market where it made it easy for my buyers to make decisions because the homes were not reflective of the market that we're in. They either were not clean or they didn't show well from just a cosmetic standpoint. I know one of them, they had a cat or something. The carpet was frayed at the corners of each room. So then my client's like calculating how much money it's going to take after closing. And the price was well priced, but they didn't care. They were still going to come in less if they even considered it. And the thing is, they didn't have to. There was enough homes on the market. If I showed them 10 homes, 3 of those 10 were going to be priced well and show beautifully. And then they can narrow it down to 3 and forget the other 7. So I would just say if you're struggling, and you know what? I have some really well-priced homes and they show beautifully and we're still looking for that buyer. So when you know that the competition is so stiff because we have so much inventory and you could be one of the 3 prettiest girls at the dance and they're still going to choose another girl. But if you keep showing up, if your home keeps looking great, if you keep making it available for people to see, if you're priced well, the buyer will be out there. There is always buyers. Don't listen to the world saying there's no buyers. There are buyers, but they just have enough choices. So make your home the choice that they want in every possible way. And it still may take some time for them to come, but they will come. And if there's any questions that you have, anything that you need, if you need me to walk your home and give you some ideas, I'm here. I'll do anything I can for you. Have a great day.